When we talk about conjunctions, we talk about coordinating and subordinating conjunctions, but there's also the correlative conjunction. And a correlative conjunction is different than the other two because actually two conjunctions work together to perform a single function. And of course, you know the function of a conjunction is to join things. Conjunctions can join a word, a phrase, or a clause. And in the case of a correlative conjunction, there will be two conjunctions working together. So in this scripture text, we have just as I was with Moses, so I will be with you. So we have a clause here, I will be with you, and I was with Moses. And those two clauses are joined together by just as and so. Here's another text of scripture, and by the way, this is a very common, probably the most common correlative conjunction, not only, but also. So then Memucan said in the presence of the king and the officials, not only against the king has Queen Vashti done wrong, but against all the officials and all the people. So again, you have two clauses. Notice we have Queen Vashti as the subject, and done is the verb, so that's why that's a clause and not a phrase. And then this one, against all the officials and all the peoples, and the verse goes on. Those two clauses then are joined by the two conjunctions, not only and but also. So those two conjunctions are working together to join these two clauses together. Down here we have another correlative conjunction, which is joining these two phrases, on earth, in heaven. Notice that these are phrases because they do not have their own subject and verb. So these two phrases, on earth, in heaven, are joined by whether and or. And we have another example of God coming to Laban and saying, be careful not to say anything to Jacob, either good or bad. Two adjectives, the adjective good and the adjective bad. And both of those adjectives are joined by the conjunction either or. And then the negative of either and or is neither and nor. So here we have two nouns, fat and blood. You shall not eat neither the fat nor the blood. Fat and blood, two nouns joined by neither and nor. So that's what a correlative conjunction is and does.